Guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you on the S22 or S22 Ultra I should say, or on any Note device, how to customize the air command menu. Now, of course, it's the S22 Ultra, and in order to bring up the air command menu, as soon as you remove the pen, it will pop up. If not, look somewhere around on the screen, usually around this area here. You'll see air command that's indicated by a faint pen. You can see it right here. If I tap, you'll notice it'll bring up the air command menu. Now I'm going to show you to customize this menu. These are the defaults here to create or view all your notes. Smart select, these are the default stuff, the pin up, translate, and so on. In order to customize your smart menu, you can add almost additional icons. To do that, go ahead and hit plus. Once you hit the plus, guys, you'll be in here. You can see all of these that are here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll notice the additional ones. And of course, if you want, if let's say there's one that you don't like, you can actually hit the minus to remove. You can remove any of these that you don't like. Then you can drag and drop or select to add any of these here. All the ones that are faded out are already on here. Whenever you remove them, they'll return to the tray here. And you can add additional ones such as Bixby Vision, Glance, and Magnify, and coloring. You can also go down. There are some additional ones down here. You might be missing them. You have right hand calendar, that's there as well. But if you go down here, guys, you can see your apps. So if you wanted to, and there's a special app such as a drawing app, for example, or just about anything, you can actually add it to your air command menu. So you can simply add it from here. So you can go ahead and mess around. You'll notice all your apps. So you can not only add apps, but you can also add special air command apps from there. All right, you can go to settings as well. It will bring you to the S Pen settings. That's deep within to control the S Pen itself, but the main options are the air command menu here. So that's how to customize your air command menu on your S22 Ultra. All right, if you have any questions pertaining to the air command menu, please ask them below. As always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.